Hi guys, as I told you in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a liquid version of whey protein at your own home. It's very easy, the easiest thing that you can imagine, and you can keep it in the fridge and you can use it whenever you want. So the liquid form of the whey protein has to be always in the fridge, and you can use it within 3 months, unlike the powder form that you can use it whenever you want and there is no expiry date for it. The liquid one, you need to use it within the 3 months. Also, you can flavor the liquid whey protein with vanilla, with chocolate, or whatever you want. It's up to you, or you can just have it with a natural flavor of its own. So let's start.
You need 1 kg of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of salt. Pour the yogurt in a big bowl and add the salt in it. Beat it with your hand until it's all smooth. Transfer the yogurt into the pot and place it under the high heat in order to bring it to boil. You do not need to cover the pot. You have to keep boiling this until all the water is evaporated. Once all the water is evaporated, remove it from the heat and transfer it into a blender. And blend everything very well until it turns to a very smooth paste. And here you go, your liquid form of whey protein is ready. Keep it in a closed jar inside the fridge and use it within 3 months. Or you can just freeze it in a cube forms and use it in a longer period. Subscribe to my channel for great recipes and ancient remedies.